If you are under the age of 18 and you are watching this video, please stop now. This content is not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA and I am here to share with you guys some kits that I have available on altering these pretty little heart wreath ornaments. And I also have a tutorial on how I put these together and how I made the color glass glitter to go on top. So the other day I hauled some of those Michael's ornaments and I said, guys, pick them up. We have a tutorial coming. So anyway, that is this tutorial. So stay tuned for that. I hope I don't bore you. But first I wanted to share with you the finished project and the kits. So the kit link will be down below in the description box if you guys are interested. There are 5 available. So this is one of them. It's the True Valentine, you know, red, and I have some clear glass glitter. The only thing that are not included in the kits are the glass, obviously for shipping purposes, but if you watch the tutorial, you can learn how to make your own. So you'll get everything to create this, minus the glass. And I have also spray painted the wreaths on one side for you guys. So if you choose not to, if you want it in its natural state, flip it over to the other side. So anyway, this has some really pretty corded, like really thick kind of a thread at the top, a little bling. This says hugs and kisses. Super cute. Then I have, of course, a pink one. This has mesh, that textured mesh behind it. It has the glass glitter. It has some flowers, another sentiment, and then there's cute little baby's breath. And this has 2 ribbons on it. Super cute. All of the sentiments will say something different, obviously, but it's going to be fun stuff. It's not going to be like, you suck. You know, it's going to be nice stuff. I picked out nice words. So here's the other one. Oh my gosh, I love this one with this gold trim. Super cute. This says amazing. And I've just stacked that up on some pop dots, on some paper. And then I have 3 flowers over here, some stickles, cute little gold rose there. Just so adorable. You can put this on your Valentine packaging. You can hang these ornaments up in your craft room. And then the last one is the one that I did the tutorial on. So you'll see this come together in the video here and have the glass glitter here and a small little floral collage. This one says beautiful and it has the mesh behind it. I'm not sure if I recorded the mesh behind. I can't remember. But anyway, you just put the mesh behind here, obviously. Yeah, I did it because I remember I had to rethread the yarn. So yeah, that's in there. So anyway, I have the ribbons up here. This is just too cute. This is my favorite. So anyway, I have the kits available and they will be down below again. And let me show you just what they entail. You'll get a pack of flowers and it's all the flowers that not exact. So you'll get a set of flowers. For the pink, you get 3 flowers and a baby's breath, and the gold rose for the pink, and then you'll get a white and mint colored flower, and then the gold one for the mint, and then you'll get 2 peach and a white for this gold, and then there are none for this one. So, but all that's included in the flower pack. You'll get all of the ribbons that I used, and then the bow, and then also the mesh bling, or the mesh tool that I used for the back of both of those. And then you'll get 4 sentiments, and then you'll get the 5 large pearls I use on mine as well. And then also you'll get 4 wreaths in mint gold. This is a white creamy color, and then red, and then of course natural on the back. So that's included in the kit if you guys are interested. Let's go ahead and get this tutorial started. All right, the items that you need for your crushed glass glitter is glass. I hauled this from Michael's clearance and they're still there. I saw some in a couple of the stores, and these are glass ornaments. They were 70-75% off, somewhere around there, so I paid like $2 for a set of 6 glass ornaments. Walmart also had these on clearance as well. You also need some sandwich bags or heavy duty plastic bags to be able to contain the glitter. You want something hard to crush the glitter. I'm using an old rolling pin. Of course, you want to protect your surface, so I'm just using a matte. Oh, wow, that changed the color dramatically. I'm using a sewing mat, so you can use chipboard, cardboard, you know, from a box or anything just to protect your surface because it is glass. And then a piece of cardstock on top of that so that you can collect your glass glitter, and a container to put it in. So the first thing that we're going to do is you want to paint your glass, you want to paint your ornament. So I used a Rust-Oleum mint colored spray paint. Of course, you don't have to be perfect because this is going to be crushed in. So I didn't put it on my little stick and make it all super neat. So I wanted to have it in this color to match my ornaments. So you want to put this and take off the little nozzle. Okay, this is going to break this top part. We're going to reach in and take that out and be careful about it. So you want to put it in your first bag. All right, take out as much air as you can. And then we're going to go ahead and seal that up. And then we're going to put it into another bag. All right. Just like so. Take out as much air as you're able to. All right, got everything all set up, and I'm just gonna pop this. Now I'm not gonna do the whole thing on camera because the noise may bother some people, but I found it very therapeutic. So I'm gonna just pop this once. Very easy to crack. So I am gonna take out that heavy nozzle piece that I know won't crush. Carefully. So this is that nozzle piece. Throw that in a safe place. And then I'm going to go back in and seal up that bag, and then seal up the second bag as well. All right. I want to go ahead and tap this and crush this to your heart's content with the glitter. So you want to do a little bit if you want like little flakes, or a lot if you want a more powdery dust. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back. All right, I'm going to put it inside my little container. These little containers are old. They came from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to cut this bottom out because these are just going to go in the trash because they have holes and stuff in them, or slices from the glass. So pretty. And I'm going to put this in the trash. Look at this glitter. It's so pretty. So, so cute. I hope you guys can see the colors on here. All right, so still keep your little mat. Keep that handy because you're going to be pouring that on your ornament. So now let's get to the ornament. All right, so I have the items that I'm going to use to decorate my ornament, and as you can see, I have already spray painted my ornament here, or wood heart, I don't know, hanging element. I've already spray painted it. All right, so I have all of the items I'm going to use to decorate my ornament. Beautiful color. I love it so very much. So what we're going to do is go back to our mat and our cardstock sheet. Okay. And then we're going to grab our glass glitter. So pretty. And then we're going to grab some hot glue and put a little hot glue on there. I should have grabbed a spoon, but this is why we have the mat. Put those little chunky bits on there. Make them chunky. All right. And I'm just going to follow this all the way around. Cute. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I'm kind of going to stop here. I'm going to just tap the back a little bit to see whatever didn't stick to the hot glue is coming off. Set that aside. This is why we have the cardstock. Put it back in our container and lock it up. and keep them all for another time. All right, this is what we have. Super cute. You just want to go back over it, you know, kind of when it glue dries. Anything that's sticking out hard that you don't like, you know, pluck it off, grab your scissors, or just kind of make sure that, you know, everything is so that you can touch it. See, I'm squeezing that. You want to just make sure you cut it nice and fine. So anything that falls off, you want to make sure it's off before you send it off, basically. If I say off one more time, then that's done. So yeah, you just want to make sure that everything is nice and attached so no one gets hurt. And make sure that you crush it very well. So that's that. So I cut off this little piece of Prima paper. It matches the color that I'm going for. So we're just going to alter this little heart really quickly here. I really just need this to sit on the flowers, basically. So, or have something for the flowers to sit on. So I'm going to cut this into like a little page flag. Forgive my voice, guys. I am half asleep. It's almost 4 o'clock in the morning. I couldn't sleep, so I tossed and turned for like 2.5 hours, and I was like, oh, okay, well, it's time to get up. So I'm going to cut this off kind of right there. Give me a little bit extra to play with. All right. And then I'm going to grab a sentiment. This is from the Dollar Tree. When these were in stock, I would grab them every time that I go, because I always use this color, or this gold, as offset. So we're going to put, grab one of these. I'm going to do, this says Beautiful Love, but I'm going to, should I keep it? No, I'm just going to keep the beautiful and put the love back. Also from the Dollar Tree, I'm going to grab some top dots and put it on the back of that sentiment. I'm just going to do 3. Well, 4 came off. I mean, 3 came off in addition, so we'll just do 4. Okay. Peel off the back and add it to the top of that little piece of cardstock. I'm going to add it close to the page flag ending. So that'll sit just like that. And I'm going to add some hot glue to the side of where it'll sit. Go ahead and attach it. Just like that. And then just a little piece over here to kind of hold that end. That's all nice and dry. And flip it over and cut off the extra off the side over here. So I'm going to add some glue to the back and then add this mesh netting. I need to get some of those fingertips for this kind of stuff. But a bone folder works well too. Cute. And then we're just going to cut off the extra all the way around. So that's how that looks. Isn't that beautiful? Super cute. That's the back. All right, we're going to add some ribbon, which I should have done before I added the tulle. So I'm going to just slide this underneath and push it through. There we go. Easy fix. And then I'm going to add some glue to the top here and connect the two together. All right, so that's what you should have when you clip the top. So just to keep it secure, put a little glue at the base and then put these two together as well. Just a little dot like that, and then just hold it or pinch it just like that. So cute. And then I'm going to tie some seam binding around here. You can just leave it like that. You don't even have to. Some of them I think I have no extra ribbon, some I do. But I thought that since this is my favorite color, I'll do a little bit extra. And then I'm going to take a flat back piece here and attach it to the center of that dot, or the center of the knot. Is that the cutest? Super cute. You could leave it like that if you want. But me, I'm going to add a couple flowers, a few flowers to it. I have some white flowers. I have this beautiful pink. This cute little spray painted gold. I'm not sure if that's going to work, but we shall see. Lay that up there. Lay that there. Lay this one right there. I'm going to take a little bit of gold stickles and just kind of dot this down, this flower down a little bit to add some shimmer to it. Look how cute that is. I did want to share with you just how you can make your ornaments different, lots of different colors. I have gold, white, this one. I've done a red, of course, and I've added some glitter to that. Really, really cute. I'm going to show you the rest of my ornaments here. All right, I have this beautiful peach one, really pretty. I have this red one, and then we have this pink one. So super cute, guys. This is my collection of those beautiful ornaments, Valentine ornaments. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Check the links in the description box to order your kit. Like this video if you like it, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.